I am sure that most of you guys are all up to date with the whole Johnny Depp and Amber Heard conversation and all the controversy that's going on. Now, honestly, I am a huge fan of Johnny Depp, and obviously we all know on whose side I am. Now, I do have to say that there's little to no information yet to who is right, but my vouchers go out to Johnny Depp in this case. But I actually thought it was maybe funny to kind of react to the most funniest moments in the court, because there's been a lot of compilations and news and all kinds of things that have been going on between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard and the court and the whole thing. So without further ado, let's hop into today's video, and you know, we might get some funny reactions out of it.
Objection calls for hearsay.
Nani? Let me ask you a different question, Mr. Depp.
Yes. Let's let him object to another one. Had a conversation with Ms. Heard.
I knew he was gonna do that.
Let's move beyond.
The fact that he waited and he just knew already.
Said, yes, they had. Okay.
Okay.
It appears that Ms. Heard had told
Hearsay or
Shit.
she would like for him to cook.
Hearsay.
Here we go
That's
again.
hearsay, I guess.
I'm not just sure sorry for the truth of the matter, sir.
he got it.
Okay, all right, well then.
I'm learning. Ms. Heard, that
I'll move to strike this as hearsay, Your Honor.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
disturbing. Yes, I looked at papers. Maybe they're hearsay papers. I can read it out of someone's article, but not from the man's mouth.
It's a pretty simple yes or no question, which is
You'd like
other
it to be, sir.
others-
Nothing simple in this case.
other
October is 2 months before December. That's correct.
the
This
document that you
man
signed
is
as
just
part of your
completely
divorce
roasting.
proceedings, correct?
That's my signature indeed, yeah.
That is your signature on the right, correct?
Yes, it is.
This is the document you signed, right?
For the third time, that is my signature, yes.
And that was a document you signed in August of 2016. Correct.
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes, that's the fourth.
I wanted to make clear that you signed
Made it
that in
clear.
the summer of said Paul Beckman.
Made it
Correct.
clear like 4 times right now.
Okay, so you were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there? The ugly situation with Amber. So
Mr.
I
Depp,
doubled up
with
the,
respect, trying to respect the court's time and the jury's time, that was not my question. My question was
I
simply,
understand. When
you
you
would
take 5
agree,
minutes to look for a
you would agree,
document.
you would agree that on
Yeah, this has been a whole joke so far.
500.
Exhibit 500.
I'd like to see who I lied to.
Sometimes drink whiskey in the mornings too, right?
Isn't happy hour anytime?
That you carried cocaine in that box?
No, but it looks like it would fit something. Once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would.
Marilyn
stop
Manson.
talking so much.
That right?
You did.
Did I read that correctly?
You did.
Did I read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You continue to read them right, yes.
Right after you cut your finger off, or right after, I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Right after you sustained an injury to your finger,
Sorry.
right after you sustained an injury to your finger,
Bless you.
poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint.
Yeah. Fast forward in time.
Mega
little bit,
pint,
Mr.
not even a
Depp.
glass.
Yes, I can feel it.
I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury. I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
Oh my god, I just love this. Probably the best time ever in court. Alright, so we still got some time left, and I think we can do another one. So let's do part 2 and see how that
You heard
goes.
Miss Heard say, "Get off me," right?
No, I did not. Hitting the wall hard based on The
We'll just take a look at the
accusations
next
that she
exhibit, Mr.
brought. I'm sorry, I was talking. Is that all right?
You had answered my question. We'll take a look at the next exhibit. Thank you.
As long as you're happy, sir.
You didn't want her acting. You wanted to control her career, correct?
Objection compound.
That's
I'll-
patently
hold on,
untrue,
Mr.
and it's a
Mr.
great
Depp,
guess.
sir.
Daddy, chill.
All right, yes, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Sorry.
We can, did I read that right?
Yes, Mr. Rottenborn.
You're complaining about her ambition in this text to her, to Dr. Kipper, correct?
I'm realizing that her ambition is far stronger than her supposed feelings for me, yes. It doesn't mean that I actually literally cut my finger off after, at the age of 12, finding the only thing that gave me peace, which is playing the guitar. Very unlikely. Why didn't I start lopping off digits when I was 13 then?
Just the way it was worded. Now, misheard what?
What's
When your nerves are
Wait,
pushed...
sir, if you can
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Okay.
Pardon?
She was trying to get you to stop using drugs.
Man,
But
I would be
let's take a
tired
look at
if I
what you
had.
say in
She had
this
used
text.
that term before.
In this text, Mr. Depp, you say just there were numerous negative news stories about you. You'd agree with that, correct?
Objection compound.
All right, I'll sustain it to compound.
Thank you so much.
May 7th, 2016.
You can see him like whisper something.
It's titled Johnny Depp.
Probably something to roast
Friends
him.
and family seriously concerned about him. Here's why.
Yes,
Correct.
how did they know?
The next article from May 1st, 2017, before misheard filed for says
Before Mrs.
Johnny Depp
Poop filed.
reportedly drank heavily and was constantly late on the new Pirates movie set. Did I read that right?
You did, reportedly.
The next
These are
article,
all hit
also
pieces.
from May
These are
10th,
dregs, sir.
2017. Mr.
This is a
Depp,
pathetic attempt.
Mr. Depp, please just respond to the question that I'm asking you.
What's your
The next
question, Mr.
question,
Rottenborn?
the next document
Yes.
is entitled Johnny Depp's financial woes might sink the next Pirates of the Caribbean. Did I read that right?
You did. I don't know
The
how
next
my
article,
financial woes would do
May
that.
25th, 2007. Johnny
Oh my
Depp's star
God,
power
this is
looked as
just
wobbly
too
as Jack
freaking
Sparrow on a
funny.
plank. Did I read that right?
You read that very, very well.
The next one, Hollywood Reporter.
Dude, this
May
is like
27th,
even the
2000.
people
Did I
like in
read
the
that
row
correct?
Reports.
behind them. It's just
This is hearsay. is
June
it not?
21st, 2018,
word.
6 months before the
Your
inside
favorite
the trials of Johnny Depp. Did I read that right?
You did. You should read the article.
And the last one, June 22nd, 2018. The day Alison Boshoff reveals why Hollywood's reeling over what's being called Johnny Depp's career note. Did I read that correctly?
You did. Who's Alison Boshoff and how does she know?
Mr. Depp, you can't name
Oh, it
a
won't
single
answer,
actress. No further questions.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, why don't we go ahead and take our morning recess for 15 minutes? Do not.
Sean Bailey, who was the number 3.
Objection, hearsay.
oh, is this like the
Oh, yet I'll overrule it at this point.
the chair that squeaks constantly when he wants to talk?
Continue, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just basically said in the...
Objection, hearsay.
Your
What
Honor,
Sean
this
Bailey
is,
said.
this is about him
Jeez.
learning
These
about this. It's
articles.
not for the truth.
It is,
Ugh.
she's
If
asking.
you want to approach.
Mr. Depp, could you please explain to the jury who Sean Bailey is? I think you were starting to.
Yes, I'll try again. Sean Bailey...
Is it gonna be like the
quoted
squeaky chair?
as,
I fucking knew it.
Mr. Depp, where
The way
was
he
Sean
just
Bailey
stands there.
without getting what he was quoted as
Oh,
saying?
get
I don't know
roasted.
who did the interview with him.
Objection, lack of foundation.
I'll overrule the objection. Go
Mr. Depp,
I've been
I'd be
approached to
tired, man, for
take part in
constantly having
Pirates
this.
of Pirates 6.
last week, Mr. Rottenborn
How can you,
asked
like,
about,
explain
quote
or
where you said
talk
you wouldn't come back to
when
the
it's
Pirate
constantly
franchise
hearsay?
for $300 million and a million alpacas. Do you remember that?
I do.
What? Do you recall when specifically you made that statement about the $300 million and 100 alpacas?
Here it goes again.
Objection, asked and answered.
Mr. Depp, do you recognize this document?
As soon as my eyes go on, I hopefully will.
As soon as my eyes go on.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, I'm so pathetic when it comes to knowing what movies I've done. I'm sorry. I just, I don't watch them. I feel better not watching them. I couldn't, what was the question again?
How many
I have order in the court, or I will have you removed.
Chill.
Understood?
How would you describe Mr. Bettany's relationship with Miss Heard while you and Miss Heard were
Order in the court or you will be removed.
Abominable.
Mr. Depp, I believe this is another text message with Mr. Bettany that you were shown on your cross-examination.
Oh my god, this whole compilation of things. This guy is like constantly talking about objections left and right.
Mr. Depp, what if any portion of this email exchange is literally true?
We're all set to leave here at approximately 1:30 p.m. Hope you rested well. I believe there's also a napkin down there where someone
Your Honor, lack of
wiped.
foundations for the exhibits that aren't in evidence. And
All right,
I have no idea whether they even exist.
I'll sustain the objection now. Next question.
He has no
You
idea
didn't know what
if
could
they
cause damage
even
to his
exist.
hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he sustained an injury on one of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next question.
okay. You said he
Bro.
sustained an injury to his finger.
One of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next
okay. You said he sustained an injury.
If you're gonna quote on someone and not even, you know, you're gonna object lack of foundation and evidence and then object yourself. I just wonder, man, like, where do people get this information from? Like, you're standing there to ask the questions to get evidence and then you're gonna object yourself, which is probably the biggest fail right now in every single court I've seen. Now, I'm really up to date with all the news from Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, and it's such an abomination, not for the whole thing that's going on, but also the questions that are being asked and literally how many failures in the court there have been. But I really wonder what you guys think of these type of videos. If you like me reacting to not only the whole thing from Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, but reaction videos in general, then please do let me know down below in the comments. Make sure that you hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell if you ever always want to be up to date with my newest content. And anyway, guys, I honestly just hope that this whole thing gets sorted very soon because it's been going on for a very long time now. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I wish you guys a great night because it's nighttime here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, guys.